Hey guys, what's going on? It's Trent
And Ian.
and we are together for our first joint project ever.
Yeah, we decided to get together and build a plate carrier stand.
So we just pulled out of the Home Depot parking lot. We're going to grab some lumber and then head back to the shop and get started.
Let's get it.
All right, guys, we just made it back from Home Depot. Ian drew these plans up last night, but relatively simple. So this is actually to scale. So we're gonna use the 4x4 to make a 36-inch long post. And then the base, we're gonna use the extra 1x4s we had left over from the catio build and just screw them straight into the face like that. So it's gonna be a really simple base. And then to make the actual cross, so what the actual plate carrier sits on, it's just gonna be some more of the 1x4s screwed in straight to the front. So really simple design. Hopefully shouldn't take us too long to make, and pretty effective too. So we're gonna start cutting some lumber and get this thing screwed together.
Don't move. Shit, where's my drill bit? Right there. Oh.
Hey guys, just finished up. As you can see, got the base on. It's really sturdy, really easy to do it like that, how they're interlocking like that all the way around. And we got the cross part on. So we're gonna show you what it looks like with the actual kit on there. But as you can see, it is pretty sturdy and it didn't take us long to build.